Listen up, this is Brian the Birmingham Devil and my lovely wife,
Amanda.
Cool. And we are reviewing our favorite kind of pizza, the best kind of pizza, pineapple. This is Papa John's, what was it called again?
Hawaiian Supreme?
Yeah,
Hawaiian Specialty, something like that?
Yeah, this is their Hawaiian Specialty pizza. And we'll go ahead and do a zoom in here. We're being loud and proud right now. Unfortunately, we're using onboard sound. But this is our first review. We will be getting extension cords for these lapel mics soon. In the meantime, alright, you can see it came with the banana pepper, came with some delicious garlic, and let's dig in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Always gotta have the garlic sauce.
Mm-hmm. Gotta have the soda too. I'm just gonna eat the pepper. What's up, baby?
You eat the banana peppers?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh, no.
No!
I never liked banana peppers. But yes, pineapple does go on pizza.
Yeah. So, how's it taste?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All the fresh ingredients are fresh and hot. Because we are during COVID-19, they did the no contact. They did the no contact thing, no problem. The box was sealed. I trust that the folks down at Papa John's did a good job.
Yeah.
The bacon is crisp too. That really pops out. And there's enough bacon without being too much.
Yeah, without taking away from the pineapple and the ham.
Mm-hmm. No, what interests me is that they didn't go with jalapenos. But that's okay. Overall, I would order this again, and I like it. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10.
I give it a 7 out of 10. I would give it a 9 out of 10 if it had jalapenos and spicy Hawaiian pizza. But all in all, it really is a good pizza. I'm sorry, I'm just like enjoying it. I would give it a 7 out of 10. Just because like they can improve it just a little bit better. But all in all, yes, definitely will order it again. Definitely will be eating it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and there's also yeah. So with those ratings out, I think we are done with our review for now. We're gonna finish being gluttonous piggies now. All right, I love you, baby.
Mm-hmm.